demonstrator operator for the Quinn company. Today I'm going to demonstrate the skid steer steering in a 309 Next Gen mini excavator. To engage the skid steer steering feature, simply press the yellow button on the left joystick. You will be prompted to enable the joystick travel by pressing the OK button the first time after the machine has been started. You will receive a green icon telling you're in skid steer steering mode. Now the skid steer steering mode is active. When you want to go back to operating your excavator, simply press the button and you're back to your excavator control. When you want to get back to skid steer, just simply press the button. Thank you for watching this short video demonstrating the skid steer steering feature of the new 309 Next Gen Mini Excavator.